Hello guys, this is science paper 1 for GCE candidates. Specifically, it is a prediction for section B and section C. So let's start with section B. So under section B, we have the main topics. See, the first one, it is forces. Then the second one, it is electromagnetic spectrums, followed by light or electronic propagation, electromagnetism, radioactivity or atomic physics, electricity, and travel graphs or length and time. So these topics are highly examinable. Now let's come to the topics. So we have the moment of a force. Moment of a force is likely to come in your paper, especially for GCE this year. It is likely to come in your paper. Followed by the thermophysics, it is likely to come in your paper. And then we also have simple machines. Simple machines is likely to come in your paper. Followed by energy, work and power. It is likely to come in your paper. Followed by mass, weight and density. And also the last one, which is basic electronics. So these are the topics which are likely to come in your paper. Especially these, they are highly examinable. So, even these, you need also to consider them. They are likely to come in your paper. But these, on the left-hand side, are highly examinable. Let's come to section C. So, under section C, the first question is going to come from radioactivity or atomic physics. So, under atomic physics or radioactivity, they can ask you to state the property or the properties of alpha, beta, or gamma particles. Then apart from that one, you need also to know the decay equations for alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma particles or Y rays. Then apart from that one, you need also to know how to calculate the half-life on a graph paper or using a graph paper. Then apart from that one, you need also to know how to graph the graph for radioactivity. Then the next one, it can be Hooke's law. So Hooke's law is highly examinable also. Under Hooke's law, they are going to ask you to state what Hooke's law is or to complete a table. If they give you a table, you are going to complete it. Then apart from that one, they can ask you to state what Hooke's law is. Then after plotting a graph, they can ask you to identify the elastic limit. That is for Hooke's law. Then the third one, it is going to come from lenses. So lenses is likely to come in your paper. So under lenses, you need to know how to graph and how to complete a table. Then apart from how to graph and how to complete a table, you need to know how to calculate the magnification and the formulas which are involved under lenses. You need to know them. Like the formula for calculating the magnification, you need to know it. And then the last one, travel graphs. So under travel graphs, they can bring a speed time graph, distance time graph, or velocity time graph. Then apart from that one, they can ask you the questions like, they can ask you to calculate the acceleration, the distance, the total distance traveled by a particle or an object. Then apart from that one, they can also ask you the differences between speed and velocity or distance and displacement. So that was the last one. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.